Hi everyone, I'm Tom Falzani, and today I will be introducing COVAR, the future of digital advertising. In this video, I will be going over what COVAR is, the technology it uses, the problem it solves, and how it works in a real-world environment. COVAR is redefining what it means to be an advertising agency. They combine traditional and digital advertising to create the ultimate service. It's targeted advertising on the go. Whether you're a large corporation having a sale, a small business introducing a new location, or someone who simply wants to alert your neighborhood about your missing pet, COVAR provides the one-stop solution to advertise to your target audience while they're on the go. This is all achieved by harnessing the power of augmented reality technology, making COVAR the future of advertising. So you may be wondering what augmented reality is and how it differs from virtual reality. Virtual reality means computer-generated environments for you to interact with and be immersed in. Augmented reality, also known as AR, adds to the reality you would ordinarily see rather than replacing it. AR is one of the biggest technology breakthroughs in recent years and is only going to get bigger as AR-ready smartphones and other devices such as Apple's AR glasses become more accessible and ubiquitous around the world. AR lets us see the real-life environment right in front of us, trees swaying in the park, dogs chasing sticks, or kids playing soccer, with the digital augmentation overlaid on it. With advances in AR technology, these examples are not that different from what might already be available for your smartphone. Augmented reality is in fact readily available and being used in a myriad of ways, including Snapchat lenses, in apps that help you find your car in a crowded parking lot, and in a variety of shopping apps that let you try on clothes without even leaving home. Perhaps the most famous example of AR technology is the mobile app Pokemon Go, which was released in 2016 and quickly became an inescapable sensation. Games aside, there are many uses for AR in our everyday lives as there are Pikachu on the loose in Pokemon Go. One being digital targeted advertising on the go. Today, there are over 500,000 traditional ads in the US. The problem is, they may not be targeted to the correct audience. Sure, they can raise awareness, but it's hard to track whether the viewers are interested or not in an advertisement. One problem is traditional non-digital ads often rotate, so your message is not up constantly. Because of this, you might miss customers who are looking for your brand. And when you have limited control over who sees it, measuring results can be difficult. In addition, high-performing locations for billboards usually book far in advance and can cost a pretty penny, so you might need to commit to long-term contracts to secure a spot. Your return on investment might be good, but often the startup cost to create an ad can be high, and often only large companies can afford it. Ultimately, there is no way to ensure that traditional ads reach the target audience. If your business caters to a specific demographic, say professional males between the age of 25 and 45, traditional ads provide no guarantee whatsoever that your message will reach them. An advertisement is worth much less if the audience is not interested. COVAR is the solution to all of these problems. It bridges the on-the-go aspect of traditional ads and the targeted advertising aspect of digital ads. With COVAR, everyone has the power to advertise without the fear of missing your target audience. One billboard can display different ads depending on who's looking at it. You choose what you want to advertise and for how long. There are no hidden fees or getting locked into long, extensive contracts. In addition, COVAR provides extensive analytics so that you're able to see how long someone looks at your ad, demographics, and how many people like your ad. If viewers like your ad, they can save it for later and view it when they get home. COVAR is more than an ad. It's the future of advertising for all. So what does it look like for someone who wants to advertise through COVAR? Submitting an ad through the COVAR app is a seamless process. First, you select what format your ad will be displayed in. There are large formats like billboards and building signs, medium formats such as bus shelters and sides of buses, and small formats like small posters and magazine ads. Of course, more than one format can be selected at once. Next, you choose whether you want to upload a pre-existing ad that you created or hire a professional designer to create one for you. Let's first go through what it looks like to upload your own ad. First, you will be asked to upload your ad file from your device or from a third-party cloud drive provider. Once your ad is uploaded and submitted, it then goes through the review process. Now let's go back and see what it would look like if you chose to hire a designer. First, you choose your preferred method of communication. This is how the designer will contact you during the entire process. Next, you must provide a short description of what you would like the designer to create. This ensures that you get matched with the right designer. You can always provide more detail once you get matched and in contact with the selected designer. Now, whether you choose to upload your own ad or hire a designer, it will go through a review stage. Your ad will either be approved or denied, depending if your ad follows COVAR's guidelines. If your ad is approved, then you choose an appropriate name so you know what ad it is. Then the date in which the ad will start, and the date in which the ad will end. Once complete, your ad will show up in your Active Ads tab under your account. Here, you will be able to edit active ads, see ads that are going through review, and view your past ads. On the dashboard, you will be able to track your ad performance and adapt based off the feedback provided, something that was never achieved through traditional advertising. Now, what does it look like for the audience once an ad goes live on the platform? Anyone who is wearing AR glasses will see a targeted hologram ad projected on top of the cover ad space. The ads will be different depending on who is looking at it, even if it's the same ad space. Here is a real-world environment demo of the AR ads in action using the Microsoft HoloLens glasses. As you can see, the printed ads work as unique tracking identifiers, so the glasses know where to display the ads. In addition to the tracking patterns, the glasses can differentiate between ad space sizes and formats. This was just a quick demo of what the future of advertising might look like with AR. Just like any other technology, it will advance quickly, making this concept soon become a reality. I'm Tom Falzani, and thank you for watching.